Aileen Cannon dismissed all the charges against Donald Trump, too. This is crazy. She just put herself in line to be Donald Trump's first nominee in his second term to the U.S. Supreme Court. And that's what this is all about. I mean, he made that remark, what was it, last year, where he said, oh, yeah, she would probably be a good nominee, or something to that effect. And, it was just a kind of a dog whistle to her. And apparently she's been running with it. And I'd bet anything she's going to be his first nominee if he becomes president. So, we'll see where it comes from. I just got a text message. I am Donald Trump, and I will make America great again. Yeah, right. Thanks, Donald. Incredible. Anyhow, she says that the Constitution has an appointments clause which says that the president can appoint inferior officers, to conduct the business of the government. And she's saying that the special counsel is too high up to be considered an inferior officer. Instead, he should be the kind of officer that requires a presidential appointment and then a confirmation by the Senate, basically. If I'm reading this decision correctly. And this will be immediately appealed by Jack Smith to the 11th Circuit. The 11th Circuit will almost certainly knock her decision down, overturn her decision, because there's lots and lots of precedent. Trump will then appeal it to the U.S. Supreme Court, because Clarence Thomas, in a recent dissent, or maybe it was a concurring opinion, but it was, he just added a line to it or two. He basically said that he felt that the special counsel law was not constitutional. So I think the odds are really high that the Supreme Court will pick this up. And, now the one way that Jack Smith can get around this is by handing the Mar-a-Lago case off to the federal prosecutor for the Southern District of New York. And for that matter, he could hand off Judge Chutkan's case. Now, that would require them to be essentially relitigated. There would have to be a brand new grand jury impaneled. They would have to be presented with the same evidence all over again. But hey, Trump's guilt is pretty obvious. So the one thing that will prevent him from being prosecuted is becoming president. And he knows it. He's going to do everything he can to stay out of jail, because that's what he's looking at, is serious prison time here. So, as I said, I'll pick up your calls on the other side of the break here. It is 27 minutes past the hour. It's the Thom Hartmann Program. I'm so glad to be back with you. Hope you're having a good summer. It's 86.7 degrees in our studio right now. The AC is out in this old building we're in. Oh, what fun. I'll be right back with your calls. Stay with us.